I could talk about many people who've influenced my education and my life over the years. I could think about Miss Nader, my first grade teacher, who recognized that she had an early reader on her hands and just let me do what I wanted in the school library. She wouldn't even have me join the reading group. She sent me into the library to read what I wanted. And there are many others along the way, but the one I really have to remember is Stephen Heyman, who taught me First Amendment law in law school. He went beyond the confines of teaching me about the rules, the court decisions about the First Amendment, but he imparted to me very importantly that, there's more to the First Amendment than just free speech. It's also about respecting the dignity and humanity of every person who possesses the inherent right to make their own decisions, to read what they will, speak as they will, publish as they will. And it's a very important component of the work I do today to make sure that what I do is completely focused on ensuring that everyone's dignity, humanity, and rights are respected, especially in the context of the library.